friends, this is our second part of the study assembly, which is plywood. So you can see here which we want to make here, like this type of stuff. So for that I am coming in Solidworks screen right now. Firstly, I am going to choose top plane. Yes, I have given idea how to choose that. Okay, now take a rectangle and now apply dimension to it. Yes, so go for it, right? Okay, how much it should be? Yes, it should be 600. And okay, so now for confirmation we are going on smart dimensions, so it will fix it. See, 600 fixed it. Now its length would be 1200. Okay, so we have created it. Yes, good. So our next task is extrude wall space. Yes, apply up to 18 mm. Okay, it means yes, I have applied here. See, now our next task is make the fillet. Okay, so for that I am going in fillet in features. Yes, our required dimensions is nearly like this, so I am going in it and choose that corners. We have given to all 4 corners, so for that I choose one by one. Okay, yes, see, yes, rotate it. Yeah, choose it. Okay, so we have chosen all that corners. Yes, yeah, we can also increase or decrease these things. It's on. Yes, I have applied here 20 and fix it. Yes, click on rough K. Yes, okay. Yes, now we want to make it, so we have made it. Now we go on edit material. So for that, here we need wood. Yes, go on woods. Which wood will be good here? So we have choose its properties. So I think oak, pine. Yes, oak will be good. Okay, so I have chosen to it. Yes, see, it's look familiar but it not looks natural. So for that we are going on edit feature. Yes, edit features. In edit feature we are going on organic. See, yes, organic, and choose wood. And in wood there are lots of varieties of oak. Yes, so go on oak. Yeah, and see natural. Yeah, see, it looks like natural. Okay, yes, I have applied. Yes, okay, so you can see is also in design tree that is indicate oak tree. Okay, so that's not an issue. So if you like my work, so please comment me, encourage me. So for that I am making more videos like this, so you will learn more. Okay, without any cost. Okay, yes, so if you want to make some Sarmaika color on it, so you can go with it, but I think its natural color will be good here as a plywood. Okay, so I don't want to modify it. Yeah, now we are going to see its isometric view by clicking spacebar. Yes, okay, so we have done all that things. Now what we are going to do, we firstly save it because we need in assembly, so we want to save it. Which name we should give here? Yes, we want to apply here plywood name. Yes, and it is Solidworks.
Hey friends, if you like this video and its content, so please like the button, and you want to more updates on this channel, so please subscribe my channel and click on this bell icon, so for that you will get notified for more updates. So thank you friends, and if you need any improvements, so please comment on me. Thank you for your wonderful support.